Hello Fashionistas, welcome back to eFashion What? It's been like 2 weeks now that I last uploaded a video. I was preoccupied with something personal, and to be sincere, I really missed you guys and hope you are all doing fantastically well. And happy Ramadan and Lent to our Muslims and Christian fashionistas on this platform. Hope you are maximizing this spirituality of this period to your advantage. As usual, we've come through again with another lovely, beautiful, gorgeous, terrific styles that will inspire your look for the next festive period. I mean the Eid Fitri and the Easter. The styles are top notch, they are terrific, they are beautiful, gorgeous, fascinating, stunning, captivating, delectable, and gorgeous for every woman, regardless of your body type or preference of styles. Got everyone covered in this very video. And they come in no particular order of styles, they are just different shades of styles for every beautiful, gorgeous woman out there. As usual, just sit back, relax, and get that maximum styles inspiration from this video from the beginning to the end, and most definitely you will be glad you did. All props and credits in this video, as usual, goes to those highly resourceful, highly creatively talented fashion designers who are working around the clock to ensure that this year Eid and Easter, that fashionistas out there really look their best this very season. Enjoy this lovely video. Leave your thoughts below in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up if you find the styles in it interesting, and share this video with family and friends for us to even spread the trend of African design styles across the world. And also leave your thoughts below in the comment section. That's very, very important. We need to have your feedback on the styles we brought to you today. My name is BJ, a fashion enthusiast and a promoter of African print designs, and also an ambassador of African fashion. Wishing you a lovely, blessed, rewarding week ahead. I will see you at the end of the video. Thank you.
We've been living in sin so long, all the feels are gone. Fella stopped me on the street last night, said everything's alright. Roller coaster, make it through the day upright. It seems your meal ticket is gone, but life goes on. I could never imagine something better. Yeah, right. Now you're cooking on high heat in the middle of the street. Roller coaster, take me to a better time. Let's go! All sing your high line with the roller coaster of life. Yeah. It's time to all choose your timeline on the roller coaster of life. You seem to easily forget how to place your bet. When everyday life gets you down, you gotta steal the crown. Got to own it. Don't bitch and moan about it, please. God forbid you scrape your knees, and it's nothing to sneeze at. Oh, I've told you over and over again. You gotta get both hands around it and make your own plans. Roller coaster, it's taking over, it's about time. Oh, all sing your high line on the roller coaster of life. You've got to all
Thank you for watching that lovely video. Hope you enjoy what we've brought to you today. If you do, give this video a thumbs up and help us to share this video with family and friends for us to even spread the trend across the globe. And don't forget to leave your thoughts below in the comment section. My name is BJ. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.